Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hazel from Hazel Hopes. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing with you. The first brand is Louis Vuitton. Now I wanted to start my luxury journey in 2022. I bought a small SLG key pouch back in 2022 and it was out of stock for so long, and then it came into stock and then it got sent to my home. When it came to my house, the packaging was gorgeous, but I could not get the key pouch opened. It was absolutely jammed. Nothing was caught in it at all. It was just a really bad zip. And then you may know from my past video, which I'll link down below, is when I did go into store to try and get an in-store experience. I had to stand it on back, by the way. I got chased out by a security guard, practically. Someone made a judgment on me and I walked straight out of Louis and straight into Gucci. So I've been with Gucci for the last 2.5 years and have a lovely relationship with a couple of their SAs. And today I am unboxing a Louis Vuitton item, and it is very similar to what I first bought, but it's a little bit bigger. And you've probably seen this because I've actually seen it around the place, but I thought I do like little catch-alls in my handbag to have paracetamols and plasters and your house keys and your car keys and lip balm and maybe a lens sip, you know, so all of this will fit nicely into a nice little SLG. So I ordered this online. There we go. And it is in here. And we're going to show you what, there we go, I loosened it earlier. So, I think you've probably guessed what it is. So, dust bag. This is the Louis Vuitton. It is the Key Pouch S. So this is actually a lot bigger than the one that I tried to order back in 2022. I think the other one sort of stopped about here, that sort of size. This is a lot bigger. And the zip works. Look at that. Nice. It has inside the little keychain, which you pull down to open. Or which way is it? Is it that way? Pull down. No, you don't pull down. You lift up. Lift up to open. There we go. And it has a little card slot inside there. If you can see, Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. And I'm really pleased to finally, can you believe, guys, this is my first Louis Vuitton item. Oh, finally, you know, it's not something that I've always wanted because I've had 2 experiences that weren't so great. But, you know, this is like, it's coated canvas, I believe. And there's the leather bit, the brown bit that holds the card holder, just there. That's leather, I believe. And the chain, lift it up and it opens like that, and then close it down and then into the little snapshot thing there. And it is basically, I'm thinking, you know, if you go on holidays and you want to put your paracetamols, you want to put your plasters, you want to put maybe your sleeping pills, maybe a spare bank card, maybe some notes. This will hold all of that easily in there. And then zip it up and you've got it all safe in one place. So you're not having to like scour through your bags for different things that are loose. Even a lip balm, packet of tissues will all fit in here. So I'm really pleased with this. And finally, I've got my very first Louis Vuitton item. So that's all very good. So I have one more unboxing to do. And it is from a brand that I've always had good experiences with. Fendi. Now, can you guess what this might be? if you've watched any of my past videos, you will know that I have something very similar to this, but different. And I'll show you the difference when I unbox. So, we have a little dust bag. Just gonna put that down for a minute. I really like this. Look what we have. Look at that. Silver hardware, silver chain, silver clip, and the blue sequins. How pretty is that? I mean, I love wearing jeans and I love wearing blue, and I just feel like this is very much a little cutesy thing. Put a little denim jacket on top of that, I think. Or you can remove the little clasps here and here, and then attach this to your belt. So you could actually just do that and let it hang down. So I think that's very, very cute. And it does have, hold on a second, lovely silky blue interior. And it has, oh, let's pull off the sticker there. Fendi there. And a little card slot there for any credit cards. So I've been out before with my other Fendi one that I have got. So I'll show you. And there's a reason I went for the blue. Okay, so I have this one already. So this is the gold hardware, and it is more of the dark and the brown tobacco sucker print. And then this is the silver hardware, and I just really liked the glitz and glam of it all. It's you know, it's better for wearing with your silver jewelry and the blues, and this will go great with more autumn and blues actually. Exactly the same size, guys. Look at that. I mean, they're so cute. It's like a little family. I'm really happy with this. So okay, so I've just removed the silver chain from here just to show you that you can detach it and you can potentially go out with this by itself. So you could loop it onto a belt loop, could potentially do that. I mean, I probably would wear darker jeans. I don't think I would wear this colour jeans and then this. I would probably wear this top with nice blue jeans and then this on the blue jeans, and it will go better together. But this is just purely just to give you a little example of how it might look on a belt loop. And I think it's really cute and accessible for me. I can get in there and do what I need to do. Yeah, I'm really, really happy. So do you guys think that something like this is a waste of money? I think personally, if you've seen the big bags of these, you know, the Sex and the City bags from Fendi, this could be a very good way of testing out a certain colour, a certain hardware, a material, because it's a sequins. You don't know if it could catch on your clothes. So, you know, before you drop £4,500 on a sequin bag, wouldn't it be nice to try something like this? And it's so much more achievable to buy. And then test it out and see if this is something that you'd like to buy in the bigger size or the color, etc. So, you know, this can hold a lot of things, and it can even be put inside another bag, a bigger bag, as a catch-all. So you have all your bits and pieces in there. Look how wide it is there as well. So, but it's very pretty. It's very pretty, and I'm sure it's delicate, and as far as texture is concerned, it's a nice feeling. So yeah, so I'm really glad to have both now, both of these colours, gold and silver, blue and tobacco. They're very, very different, so I'm really pleased to have both of those. But anyway, guys, that's my unboxing for today, and I'm so pleased you watched it this far. Please consider giving me a like and a subscribe, and I've got lots of videos coming up, and I've got a few that you may not have already seen, so do take a look, and we're so glad to have you here. But thank you so much, and have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.